Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Fab Fit Fun box. So, a lot of fun. I know I'm looking a little different right now. I'm sitting on my bed doing this video. I'm in my leggings and t-shirt. I just wanted to do a quick video and unbox this Fab Fit Fun box with y'all. This is my first one ever. I did have to call and complain on a FedEx driver a minute ago. I hate complaining. I'm not a complainer. I usually do not complain. But I was sitting in there and I heard them throw it on my porch. And when I went, it was upside down. I'm hoping that the unit is broke. Hoping. So let's get started. So, first thing when I open it, this is a cozy robe, which I am so excited about this robe because I can just hang it outside my shower and get in the shower with the robe on and finish getting ready and get dressed. So I'm excited about this robe. I'm just going to open it and feel it real quick. I'm not going to take it out, but ooh, yes, very excited. So there's a robe. And I'm seeing a lot of, I got a little sticker from it says Fab Fit Fun on it. A bunch of little cards. I think this is, if I wanted to send somebody a postcard, gives them 15% off, which I don't really have many people to send it to, so yeah. If you want me to send it to you, just leave a comment with your address and I'll send it to you. I'm not sponsored at all by Fab Fit Fun. I don't get discount codes, nothing like that. I'm not sponsored by anybody. So everything I get, I pay for myself. There's a little card to a wine company. HBO Max, which I just subscribed to the other day so I could watch the new Wonder Woman movie. And then 9 free meals for HelloFresh. I've been wanting to try HelloFresh, so maybe. And then a magazine with Katie Couric on the front. And then this is below the belt. It is a Croc card case. Yeah. I hope y'all can see me a little better today. I went back to my old camera because the other one, it just kept changing the color out on me and it was, I don't know, it was messing everything up. So yeah, it's a little card case. You put your driver's license, credit card, debit card, and then it's got a little change thing on the back. That is cute. That'll be going in my purse. I'm always needing these, like if I go somewhere and I don't want to carry my whole big purse, this will be great. Pore Purifying Cleanser from Dr. Brandt. It's I can't ever say that word. Silic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. That's cool. I'm ready to use that. Hoping it helps my skin. I'm going to do a nighttime routine with y'all. Now that I've gotten moved, I can start doing more videos. What is this? Liquid eyeliner in black from Aesthetica. Ooh, I need this. I've been needing some more. I always wonder what the tip looks like. Okay, yeah. I could use that. It's not the one I usually use, but I can use it. Not a big deal. Liquid eyeliner. Flight Mode Skincare. High Altitude Hydration Mask. I don't ever fly anywhere. I've never flown anywhere. Well, the only plane I've ever been in was a little 4-seater plane. I've never been on one of the big ones, so don't know if I ever will. We'll see. If I had a reason to, I guess I would, but I would my anxiety would probably be through the roof. But yeah. Why am I even trying to open this for y'all? I don't know, but I'm just curious. I want to get it open. Why they would wrap it up like this. I was hoping it was a perfume the way it was wrapped up. But. So the Fab Fit Fun box comes every season. So winter, spring, summer, fall. Autumn, fall, whichever one you call it. After cleaning and when you're ready for rest, apply the mask to your face, neck, and back of hands. It will work while you relax or sleep. No need to rinse off. Just massage into your skin. Oh, it's in another one too. They really package their stuff up, huh? What in the world? It will not come out. This stuff does not want me to get it out of this little case. What in the world? And another one. I still can't really smell anything that just popped out. Okay. Nice. I need it for my hands for sure because I wash my hands so much that it's crazy. Sorry for the crazy hair today, y'all. I got a shower last night and I was gonna blow dry it, but I just lost track of time. So I let it air dry, and this is what happens when I let my hair air dry. Yeah. Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. I need one of these, so this is good. And then we have a mirror, which I'm hoping is not broke after they threw this on the porch. It's an Impressions Vanity Company Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. Can't wait for this. And then we have cutting boards. Fun. Didn't really need cutting boards, but they'll be put in my cabinet and used sometime, I'm guessing. But anyway, yeah, so that's all that was in the Fab Fit Fun box. I'm going to open this in a minute and check it out, make sure nothing's broken, and put all this stuff up. So yeah, that's my Fab Fit Fun box, first one ever. It's not as great as I thought it was going to be, just to be honest. I'm loving the robe in the mirror and some more of the stuff, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products in the Fab Fit Fun box. And it could be because I subscribed later than usual. Everybody else got theirs like weeks ago. I'm just now getting mine because I just subscribed after they sent out all the boxes, and I started seeing videos and all that, and I'm like, I'm going to try this Fab Fit Fun thing. I'm going to jump on board and try it. So, yeah. That is my box. I'll leave the link below if y'all want to subscribe to Fab Fit Fun. I don't have a discount code because I'm not sponsored. But yeah, there's something else I want to say. I'm going to try to do a video tomorrow. A hair video because I'm going to do something with this hair. But, I'm going to try to get this one edited and uploaded. And I hope y'all like my Yee shirt. I love Yee. I should start doing videos on their stuff too. But I subscribe to their T-shirt of the Month Club every month. And this is the one I got this month. And it says, established in 2011, Yee Farm, Georgetown, Texas. I want to go to the Yee Farm. Just to be honest. If somebody said you can go anywhere in the world, where would you go? It would be the Yee Farm. I know you might think I'm weird, but I'm very country. And I just love farms and I love stuff like that. And I love the Smiths. If you don't know about the Smiths, go watch their channel. Granger's a country music singer. Amber is a great person and has her own Etsy shop. So y'all go shop from her too. I believe it's Designer 11 Designer 11 Gallery, I think. I'll link all that below. So you can check out their channel you can go and check out her Etsy and all that. And yeah, go subscribe to their channel as well. But I'm going to go for now. I'm going to get y'all a video uploaded tonight, this one. And I'm going to video another video tomorrow. And I'm thinking I'm going to start doing some like mornings with Danielle and just kind of talk and stuff like that. Maybe do a few devotions. Amber really set it in my heart to start doing something like that because I don't talk much. I don't have very many people to talk to around here, so yeah. But I'm going to video some more tomorrow, so y'all make sure and hit the bell for the post notifications so you don't miss it. And I'm going to go for now. I love you all, and please remember to subscribe if you're not. Love you.